Hey guys, it's Layla Roseberry here and welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the title and the thumbnail and what I'm about to tell you, I got an iPad Air. I have been saving up for this for 3 months, so I'm super excited for it to get here. I also got an Apple Pencil. So, the first part of this video will be me unboxing the iPad, and the second part will be me trying out Procreate, which is a drawing program, if you didn't know. I've been wanting to get into the digital art stuff for a long time, and I just never had the resources. That's why I bought this. So it'd be kind of like me who knows nothing about digital art or the program or the pencil, kind of doing it. I have watched a couple tutorials, but that's really it. But the unboxing part will be kind of short because I'm not a real techie person, so I don't know about why the design is better or worse than the other iPads or whatnot, but I just wanted to show me unboxing off camera, and then I will get to the reviewing the pencil and the drawing program. But with all that said, let's just get into the review. Okay guys, here we are about to unbox it. I will unbox the iPad, then the pencil, and then go a little bit about that, and then I will just cut off the camera, set it up, and then go on to the review of Procreate. So, I think I got scissors, but there's a tab here. My camera space is very small. I'm sorry. My camera's small and my desk is small that I'm doing this on, so it's kind of difficult. The desk is wide, it's just very narrow, so there's not room for me to have a big place, but okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh wow, that's light. I mean, I know it's the Air, so it's supposed to be light, but that's... I don't know how to open this thing. I've never opened an Apple product before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let me just kind of pick this up so I can show you. That's nice. It's huge. I did get 10 inch on purpose, but still. It's huge. Let me just carefully set this right here. And then here is some kind of instructional thing. Oh, also, I got my name on it, and I wrote Jesus Never Fails. Pretty cool, right? It took like a week and a half to get here. That's probably why, because my pencil came in a couple days. Okay. I have a charger. It doesn't have a... Oh, yes it does. A charger. Oh, I'll roll it up. And a charger port. Making a mess here. Okay. I've seen this thing, but I've seen people do this, but I don't know what it does exactly. I don't know. It comes out for some reason, and I don't know why. Actually, I'm not going to mess with that because I'll probably end up breaking it. I'll just read the instruction manual first. And this. So... let's see, what is in here? They made that thick of a box for 2 pieces of paper. That seems a bit extreme. I don't know, I'll have to look up why it's like that. But we'll get this out of the way. My case hasn't come in yet because we didn't realize, it was supposed to be here like next week. So we didn't realize it'd be here this soon, like today. So I haven't ordered my case yet. I ordered it today, so it should be here soon. So I'm just going to keep it in the box till it gets here. This one doesn't have a tab thingy. I don't think... Oh, yeah, it does. No, it doesn't. Okay, we're going to have to... That's why I need the scissors. I just need to break the seal, this plastic seal, and I can't get it undone. Classic me. Oh my goodness, this is impossible. Oh, there we go. Guess it's not impossible. Oh yeah, right here. Oh, I'll also be keeping my Apple Pencil in here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, what's this? Oh, here's the charger. You stick this in your iPad. You stick this to your charger cord, and then you stick your pencil to it. That's cool. Okay. Again, I have no idea how this stuff works. So, and oh, there's also an extra nib. Oh, wow. That's nice. Is it magnetic? Okay, that's cool. How do you unscrew this? You just a screw in thing? Okay. Well, here is everything in all of its glory. I will just skip ahead now. That's just the unboxing. I will skip ahead now to when I've set it up and download the drawing program, or Procreate. So I will, I will see you soon. A filming thing, but I was being very, very slow and boring. But, so here are the basics of it. You have light pen pressure. Oh, my brush is too small. Light pen pressure, heavy pen pressure. It's the cool thing about the pen. You do circle, and then if you hold it, it turns into like an actual shape. Yeah, this is just a really cool app, and I think I'm going to just draw something really quick. I'll just do like a sped up version of me drawing it, and then I'll just come back and say my thoughts. So yeah, I'll do that. is my horse. I only spent like 30 minutes. It kind of looks bad, but I'm kind of new to this, so I feel like I can do some really great stuff with some time and some practice, but I only spent 30 minutes on this. So I really like it. It's really easy to use. What I had before this was Metabang paint, which you have to buy to get the good stuff, and a $5 stylus with my Fire tablet, so it's a big improvement. This program works really great. Like, you can, well, I'm on the eraser tool. You can go sideways for shading, and then I'm on the airbrush. Let me go to painting, round brush. Done. I don't know what I just did there. You can go sideways for shading, and then flat, shading. Well, let's see, even if you draw lightly, and then, yeah. And also, I just love the pen pressure. I just think that's the coolest thing. Ooh, textures. Ooh, let's go to layer 2. And then go like background color. Yeah, okay. Well, I think that is all for this video. I'm going to have a lot of fun just testing out the program. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. That's not how you spell bye. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Bye. No, it's not. I don't even know anymore. Yes, that is how you spell goodbye. Bye. Thank you.